Welcome back, fellow investors. I'm Lou, Option Flow founder, and today I want to share with you something on SPY, the ETF. What I think, or what I'm going to do, if I'm going to invest, if not. I share my experience. This is my vlog, my journey. I'm not telling, disclaimer, I'm not telling you what to do with your money. I show only my experience, what I do with my money, my mindset, my way of thinking, my plans. So this is my journey. I don't recommend you to invest. Don't invest your money. So I'm not telling you I don't want your money. I'm not investing your money. I'm not telling you what to do with your money. So do your own research and do your own choices. Okay, so this is only my experience. I believe in a methodical, stress-free approach to wealth creation. I know with money on the table, nothing is stress-free, but I look for an approach as more stress-free as possible. Okay, so it's impossible to be stress-free when your money earned is on the table. Okay, so I don't do trading. I don't want to do trading. I don't want to do trading all the day, every day. So I am a businessman. I am a coach. I am an investor, and I invest my money with just few hours a month. Okay, so I don't want stress. I want as less stress-free, as less stress as possible. Okay, investing my money. So what about SPY? SPY all-time high, $501. So I was thinking in this couple of days and talking to some of my investors. SPY is the most important S&P 500. Okay, the most important underlying. Lots of investors invest with different strategies. Of course, in SPY, in future, in SPX, and so on. So S&P 500. I'm not investing, and I at the moment, okay, and I'm not going to invest in the following days, in the following weeks, maybe. So in SPY, despite the bullish hype. Okay, and now there are two kind of traps, in my opinion. The trap for bullish, okay, trend is bullish. This is SPY. Okay, the last 6 months, so the trend is strong bullish. Okay, now at 500, some of my investors and talking to people are ready to invest their money in a bullish way and in a bearish way. Some of them are telling, okay, follow the trend. Trend is bullish. Okay, I'm going to follow the trend. Some other contrarians tell, okay, 500 all-time high, 500. Okay, it ran too much. Now it's time. It's time for some bearish moment. Okay, so they are ready to invest in a bearish way. I'm not investing because I have my method and my steps. Okay, so I have some precise steps. So if every step, okay, gives me a green light, I invest on the underlying, or I'm looking for a strategy, okay, to invest on that underlying. If not, if there are some red lights, okay, no, I'm not going to invest, and I'm looking for the next underlying. So remember something I tell to my investors. Okay, I often tell them? I tell them to remember that investing is not chasing flashy titles or trends. I know that it's cooler to tell people I'm investing with a squeeze on the short, with leverage, and so on. These fancy words that maybe you seem so expert telling to people. Okay, you can think it's cooler. Okay, but remember something that what really counts. What really counts is about discipline, strategies, and consistent results. So the only metric I consider and I tell to my investors is result and money. Okay, everything else is ego. So beware of these ego traps. Okay, if you tell people you're doing some really fancy strategies with exotic names, okay, it doesn't matter. Okay, so maybe you think you are cooler, but if you're not earning money from that fancy and exotic strategy, it's worthless. Okay, this is only metric is I am investing with this strategy. Okay, there are these steps. Okay, so I am investing with these steps. Okay, do I have some results? Yes. I'm earning money. Yes. Okay, it works. I continue. This strategy, and in the past, I did that. I did every mistake, every possible mistake. I lost money trying, investing. So I did every mistake possible. Okay, so this strategy works. No, I'm losing money. Yes. So even if it has fancy or exotic names, so it seems cool, okay, it doesn't work because I lose money. Period. Okay, the only metric is money result. This I tell to my investors because some of them are more disciplined, some of them wants to experiment something new. Okay, so the only metric is money, is result, and so this is very important. Another thing I tell to my investor is don't fall in love with title names. I invest on this ETF, on this future, it's a fancy name. Okay, don't fall in love with titles. My method is very precise, step by step, and I don't watch a title and I find a strategy to invest on this title, on this underlying, but the opposite. So this method, these steps, I have green lights for this, this, and this. So what are the titles which match? Okay, these steps, these green lights. For me, the underlyings are only titles. Okay, there could be title 1, title 2, title 3. I'm not interested in what's the underlying. Okay, yeah, maybe for commodities. Okay, there are seasonal process. Okay, it's something different. But for example, ETFs, stocks, indexes. Okay, there could be title 1, title 2, title 3, title 4. Okay, I tell that to my investors because some of them I see they are in love with one title. I love Brent. I love Standard & Poor 500. Everyone invests in Standard & Poor 500, so I need to invest in some way, in some strategy. Okay, in ETF or in options or something else because everyone invests in S&P 500. No, okay, because for example now This is the S&P 500 in the last 6 months. This is the all-time high. Okay, I'm not investing. Okay, so I'm looking for some other title to build a strategy in options. Okay, I don't telling you to invest. Okay, and I know that there are some strategies that could be made in S&P 500. Okay, but I invest with one strategy. Okay, one method with precise steps, and this is for me really stress-free, because I don't have to choose. I don't have to listen to my gut. Okay, gut, what are you thinking about Standard and Poor? Am I going to invest or not? No. Okay, I wanted to cut all these things. Okay, because if one day I could be more stressed as usual. Okay, I I would risk to invest in a strategy I wouldn't do, okay, in a normal day. So I'm going to risk to lose money because of my gut. Okay, so I don't want that. So it's everything discipline, methodical. My strategy is a method step by step with green lights. If every step gives me a green light, okay, I found the strategy in this underline. Underline could be title 1, title 2, title 3. I'm not interested in. Then money management. Okay, how many options, how many contracts should I buy, should I sell? Okay, based on my capital. Okay, so there is a percentage for every investment. Okay, so and then which expiration date, strikes, and so on, and then the market. Okay, invest in the market. Okay, to bought, sold, stop loss, take profit. If there is take profit, I suggest my investors take profit. Yes, I tell them what is the take profit, and I suggest take profit with smaller accounts or under 50k usually. Over 50k, okay, could be stop loss or not. So up to each investor. Okay, so it's very methodical. This works for me. Okay, I know there are lots of strategies with options, with stocks, with ETFs, to earn money. Okay, to earn lots of money, to have greater returns than mine. But I don't want to be stressed. I don't want to be hours a day. Okay, I just want to invest a few hours a month, as stress-free as possible, with less stress, with a strategy very precise. So I shouldn't think, okay, investing. So I don't want. I want to put as less energy as possible. Okay, so avoiding ego traps, avoiding strategy traps. Okay, everyone is buying, so I should buy. Everyone is selling, so I should sell. No, create your plan, follow this plan. Okay, so it's very important, and follow the plans. If Standard and Poor 500 doesn't respect your strategy, your plan, don't invest. Find another title. Okay, there are lots of thousands of indexes, stocks, ETFs, commodities. So find another one. Okay, so I tell to my investors sometimes. Okay, because when you have a step-by-step method, okay, sometimes you look for something more, something to earn more, a little bit more excitement. So my strategy is boring. Okay, let's tell like this. It's boring. It's not exciting. I tell my investors another thing. Okay, if you want excitement, you are a businessman. You are self-employed. Okay, you earn money. Okay, you have stress on a daily basis with your business, with problems. Okay, you earned your money, so gambling. Don't gamble your money like in the casino. Okay, if you want excitement, okay, there are lots of sports, lots of activities. Okay, that give you adrenaline, excitement, parachute, bungee jumping, motorcycle, whatever. Okay, surf, whatever you want. But don't gamble your money like in a casino. Okay, don't lose your money. So follow the strategy, create a plan, create a strategy with precise steps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, respect that. Money management and respect that. Okay, so I tell this other thing to my investors sometimes. Okay, because I mentor one-on-one. I like to give them a precise method to invest. So do this, do this, do this. Replicable. So they invest autonomously. They know what to do in every market condition. So they invest their money. They create a stream of income month after month and year after year. So it gives me satisfaction, and I like that. I like to share my experience. So if you are ready to take your investment journey to the next level, okay, I could help you, and so you can secure your spot for a personalized consultation via Calendly under this video. So there are limited spots available. I mentor one-on-one, just a few spots every month because I'm a businessman, I'm an investor. I follow just a few selected investors. Okay, so if you want to know more, if you're ready to invest to the next level, you can secure your spot via Calendly. Okay, so we talk 15-20 minutes. So you can say if my method, my strategies could be for you or not. Okay, so this is these are some rules. Okay, I told you today some rules. I tell my investors, few selected investors, and these rules save them money. Okay, so they follow the strategy, they continue to follow the strategy. Sometimes they think something more, let's try something more, something different. No, respect that, earn money, master the strategy, master this method. Then when you know exactly what to do, when you are having results, you're earning money month after month. Okay, you can add, if you want, if you like, you can add some other strategies, some other investment, some other ways. Okay, some other stream of income, but master a strategy first. So see you on the next video, and I will show you next week the new investment. Okay, I'm watching you. Okay, bye. See you on the next video.